What's up guys, thanks for being back on the channel and huge thank you for last week's feedback to the video. I think this was just a test, so since you guys like that a lot, I'm gonna share a lot more of my just optimized things for the FPV Life, because I have a huge of them. I'm a little perfectionist, so I try to like modify and do everything till it's at least 100% or 95% perfect. So today's video is a little bit more about, one thing. I got all this amazing feedback to last week's video, but then one thing I didn't understand is like how I could like get 30 dislikes. I don't understand those guys, because I'm trying just to help you guys and inform you guys and try to make things better for your workflow. So I don't understand how you can dislike something like this, but whatever. Thank you for the rest of the guys, I love you. So today's video is about a little bit more about safety, since we spend a lot of time soldering, and the solder smoke is really dangerous for you if you inhale it, especially if you're like super close to your build. That's why I went ahead and went on Amazon and bought one of these little fan things. It comes with a 12-volt connector and a power supply, but I think it's a fan from a PC or something. It's 20 bucks. It's, I don't know, it's kinda okay-ish, but it comes with that clamp so you can put on a thing. But I tested it out, it was too heavy, it was falling over, and especially too far away from my work location. So I thought, why not go ahead and combine it with my daily use tool for soldering, the third hand. Probably some of you saw that already. It's simply amazing, and I want to integrate that fan into one of those arms. So let's get right into it and see how it goes. So let's get started. The first thing I did, I took a look at the fan and how possibly I could take it apart. So there is a little nut back here that you can just simply unscrew. Everything unmounted, so you can release that thing. The next step would be taking the fan itself apart. For that we need a screwdriver. So, let's see. Okay, so here we can see the wires. And they also just soldered it together. Since I'm gonna make a new solder connection here anyhow, just clip that through here. So we have the fan separated, and also clip it here. Don't need that, then they made a knot in there. Gonna open that one, and now we should be able to pull the wire through that thing, and now we also can get it through here. So now we have the wire with the connector. We can remove the nut because we don't need that. Damn, it's a mess on the table. So especially only these two things we need to make it work. So let's see what's gonna be the next step. I'll take that outside. Now let's take a look at the third hand itself. Yeah, I think we're gonna just try to remove one of those arms here top. Since it's hollow, we should be able, if you drill a hole on the top, if we're gonna drill a hole here, since that thing is hollow, we should be able and route the cable through the bottom and focus and get it through there. So let's drill the hole. So now we have to check how we can remove that here. Oh, so if you like take it apart, you will see there's a screw in there where we can unscrew the whole thing, because somehow we have to come up with a solution to like mount the fan onto the arm. Okay, and we're gonna remove this little clip thing here. So yeah, maybe that's a good idea. So we can mount it on one corner and it will stay like this. Yeah, let's see. Let's get that screw out of here, and then. So I just noticed that you have to take the top part out of it too, otherwise you can't get the screw out of there. And then once you have that, you can take the screw out. Since that one is a little bit too short, I'm gonna try to find a different one and put that in there. So I just took a regular M3 screw, and it's a little bit longer, so I'm gonna put it in here and run it through the fan like this. Got even a really fancy red nut. So let's see. Don't tighten it too much, since that's only plastic on the fan housing, and you don't want to damage it. So it's pretty sturdy and it should hold the fan nice. The next thing is you want to do is running your power wire through the arm you picked. This, you need to straighten out the arm a little bit, and then you can just run it through there, and you will see come out at the end, and there we go. So that makes it already super clean. So the next thing is you want to get the black wire through the remaining arm pieces here. I think you have to take it apart. It's gonna be a little bit tricky to get it through here. So there we are. It's pretty tight, but as you can see, get it through here. So, and now you can connect that piece back together, since you have your wire through the top. Now you need to go through here. That's a little bit easier. And then once you have that, just click it back together like so. It should give you a little bit flex, and then you have the wire, and you should be able to connect it to the top. So we're almost done with it. What you want to do next is there's a little sticker on top of here. You can just simply remove it, and then you see the two wires here. I could also like connect them, you know, a little bit further down, but since I want to have a clean build and want to have everything with the black wire, I decided to remove those two and get the black wire installed there. You can put the sticker back on there. So, does that look good to you? So we have the wire coming through here, going through the top, we soldered it on. You need to tighten up the screw a little bit more. And that should be it. Perfect. So since we installed everything nice and clean, it's time now to plug it in and see if the fan works. And there we go.